Abushia Lewin was denied a plane ticket at Prempeh International Airport and I say Kumasi International Airport. Aye.
I'm papa ticket no. O man mami.
Full story no ha. Jagaram fans the mina. So when they kanya or coming across this platform, I Kama Studios. Make sure to subscribe to this platform. Follow us on all the social media handles at Kama Studios. So that we are updating news to be announced a bit man. The story is very simple. Ojon cancel Lewin Abushia obey logic complaint if a plane tickets from Kumasi to Accra to Kumasi. First no was say nane bono 750 and 500 Ghana cedis. This year na go to 2,500 Ghana cedis. More than times 5 or something.
Ada for Western Ghana benefit. Plane ticket ne boarding our pass
2,500 Ghana cedis and 3,000 in and out no 5,000 and a BC 6,000.
First na 500 cedis 700 800 9,000. I feel the ticket no I do almost 6,000 in and out.
Now he made a video about that. I mean, expressing a year on Rankasa, how was he feeling about that price increment and other, I mean, the rise of the plane tickets. No video no cover. I'm will be Arabic channel. Your comment section. Sign up for or more authorities no, which you more July. And this is the video.
Ada for Western Ghana benefit. Plane tickets ne boarding our pass 2,005. 1 week in and out almost 5,000. Hour almost 6,000 a day. Say let's now before we in account air plus and I said half it.
So after that video went viral, we be plane ticket no boy dinner. Sana kofua omo dada sana man no bucho July. So Lewin wanted to move from Accra to Kumasi to go and do his things. Now was it okodru Prempeh International Airport one or course go to plane ticket no. Yes say I didn't no complaining say 5,000 2,500 in no and out to say 2,500 making it 5,000 you know any 3,000 any 6,000 you know in and out no. Okoduru ya say 10,000 100 million. On Tiasie I was lodging complaint recently send a wedding. Okoduru ya send 10,000 no say call different say 10,000. It won't be catching and say there be the video that you made no a cover ama nkofo omuharo obi ahwe video bi nti no masa enuti no mo yosa. This is the video too.
Out of 4 Midian Kodron Kansala, you can call me Captain Ibrahim Traore, the last African youth. Out of 4 and the Ghana over kind of question on mana yempe. They will not have a for. Yes, you ain't a need me found through the enemy. A bassa and what? It's no young here, a back in your bejan quanica. Now, I be trying to live, nay, they are queering. Now, so a bassa no, I know my papa. He said, nay, say, MVP Nibi had another car because we are politics, and this is your politics. As there be ye Pomine and Koso, ye Ghana for. But can any better this? Number video say, I can't Kumasi plane na econ. No boy thing. First, nay, 500 700 800 9,000. I feel they take it, no. I bought through almost 6,000 in and out. It be almost 5,000. Abra, I can't took my VIP and anticipates. Sanke kwa iya. Jisa nka pay the pen take about 8 million kwa go bi amfo. Now so fe na eguso ye kwa ntino. Pay ticket na umman mra fom. Video no kwa chiri pa man for he pa na say ba san ko fo adwa wo. Me ya man fo adwa buta captain be man fo adwa me. Now so ya kan wi ni yemu ni ye pe. Ye ni ye twa ana ye ba ene mo ye de botuma ye mre. Ye ni kapre ti umman mra fom. And then as I'm back me bembazi. Ebe film me phones na me interviews bi. Ti me take it online ti me see me call na dey. Ko dey abenya bi atwa no urgent. Kodu ono ma me ko office we a me ko Accra and me saba nyambo channel pa. In and out. Ade 100 million. The bad side here and also 100 million. I'm sir. Ah, the media agora because take it to go say time can you soon was anybody after 100 million. Say I almost started 100 million too. I'm Timmy see for na ba kutia na so we test rubber. Kojo. E mo say na ntiris mo so why video be say take it na boy dey. Ti e man for bi o ma dwa. Ti we ntino mo yesa. I'm say nya boni take it na boy dey ntino. Ade. Me call na still na 100 million last. I'm take it na Dubai to Ghana and protect it say. Belgium to Ghana, America to Ghana, but take it say. No, me call Accra to pass 100 million. Ah! Tell me, family, me compare can go posters. And Fantata, na man go find him cover and carry my fans. And Papa, take it no, oh my name, mammy. And I'm afraid of myself, minty mamma, and we need mammy. Next time, if I can't, and for phone. A quanin is very fast to stand my head, Yammy the Boko could do. Oh, sir, and your fit. Timoya, the man, take it and 2 million, 5 million, 6 million, 1,000, not 3,000, not 6,000. Abba, tell a man for Joe, man for Jack. For Jack is the stay free. I care about my baby movie. Hey, come on, let me show you.
So it's more like a punishment. 10,000 no reduction. And I'm so ama Sabreno well nya eye in the plane ticket and from Kumasi. So he has to use his car until say by road or the free and Accra Kumasi kwa Accra. Now he expressed something. Now I feel like if something is going wrong in the country, those are more numbers, those public figures, those influencers, they are the ones who are supposed to speak up, and that is why he is doing. Now say akokasa, now say you do baby na they feel like they are offended, and they want to punish you in an indirect way. To me, I don't see the whole I mean saga. What I say, and Lewin is one of the people I really love because of how if something is not going good, he will come out and clarify the whole situation. He will not sit down and say, yeah, the country is very hard. Don't make it. No, I've been watching his movie closely, and you will feel like if something is going on in the country or the bad movie, your life and as one video and one, you will say it in the movie, and that makes him outstanding from colleagues politicize BBR. So if something is wrong and it is his party who is in power now on can want some what I say. And this is one thing I love about Quadron Cancer Lewin. Don't forget to leave your comment under the comment section. I come to Studios and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. If today is your first time, as I said earlier, make sure to share this video to your friends and your loved ones so that they will also get to know whatever is trending in the media. Thanks for joining us today. You're finally out.